Hi guys, other David from Power Pro. I've got a new product I'd like to show you. This is our newest meter. This is the DM600MAX, our high performance multimeter. This is probably the most high spec, well, definitely it's the most high spec meter in our line. It has the highest resolution, the highest sample rate, and the most testing features. Just look at that screen. Now notice it'll display in AC mode. You've got AC voltage and frequency that will display at once. Down here at the bottom, these are actually options you can set up. That chart at the bottom, you can either have a trend line or a bar graph. Let's go back to bar graph. So bar graph at the bottom, or you can have it actually as a trend line where it shows variances over time. It works that way in the DC mode also. Notice the resolution, I'm down 2 microvolts. But they're in there asking a millivolt mode, which really takes, so like I was saying, as far as specifications for resolution and range, this is definitely our top of the line meter. It's got all your standard AC, DC, some uncommon things. It does have a low Z mode for those guys that don't like floating voltages. Now you won't get those floating voltages in the low Z mode, and it can actually load your circuit while you're testing. You've got a mode for temperature, and it includes the temperature probe adapter. This is your ohm meter and continuity mode. This is your diode and capacitance testing mode. Here is your amp mode. One of my favorite features on this meter is it prompts you to plug the leads in right. And believe me, I've done it myself where I forget to switch my leads over and I end up blowing a fuse. And it's usually when you've gone from amp mode back to voltmeter mode. See, it's going to coach you every time to make sure you switch your leads. So if you're looking for a very high spec meter, the DM600 is definitely Power Pro's top of the line meter.